Hey, Ivy here. Is your workspace a bit of a mess? Today, we're tackling that with AI. Day 57's tip is all about using AI to create a simple plan for organizing your workspace. A cluttered desk can be overwhelming, but AI can help you transform it into a neat and efficient area. Start by taking a good look at your workspace and listing the items you use daily. This will help AI understand your needs and suggest a layout that works best for you. Imagine having a workspace where everything is within reach and perfectly organized. AI can help you achieve that by analyzing your habits and suggesting improvements. It can recommend where to place your computer, how to organize your stationery, and even how to manage your digital files. By following these AI-generated suggestions, you can create a workspace that not only looks great, but also boosts your productivity. A tidy desk can make work more enjoyable and help you focus better. Plus, with everything organized, you'll spend less time searching for things and more time getting things done. Whether it's rearranging your desk or organizing digital files, AI offers practical solutions tailored to you. So, why not give it a try and see how a little AI magic can transform your workspace? Tune in tomorrow for a tip on how AI can help boost your creativity. See you then!